What's the meaning of Crown dependency? Crown dependency. Crown dependency.
Crown dependency. Crown dependency. A crown dependency is a self-governing territory that is not part of the United Kingdom but is under its jurisdiction and sovereignty. It is classified as a possession of the British Crown and operates independently, with its own government and laws. The three Crown dependencies are the Isle of Man in the Irish Sea and the bailiwicks of Guernsey and Jersey in the English Channel. They have their own legal systems and are responsible for their own fiscal affairs, but the UK government remains responsible for their defence and international relations.